You know what drives me crazy? When I see every beginner on KDP chasing the exact same niches. Productivity, fitness, self-help. If you search Amazon right now, you'll find thousands of almost identical books all fighting in the exact same categories. And here's the painful truth. If you're publishing in those oversaturated spaces, then your book has almost no chance of standing out. It's like setting up a lemonade stand in the center of Times Square. Sure, there are people everywhere, but you'll never be noticed. But here's the good news. There are hidden niches, entire categories with real reader demand, but almost no competition. And if you're publishing with AI in 2026, then these are the gold mines that you need to know about. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what makes a niche hidden, why most people overlook them, and how you can tap into them to build books that actually sell. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part one, why hidden niches matter. Let me tell you a story. A friend of mine jumped into KDP a year ago. Instead of chasing weight loss or general self-help, she published a book on fermentation for beginners. Now, most people would have laughed at that. Like, who wants to read about sauerkraut and kimchi? But here's the reality. Her book sells every single month. Not millions, but hundreds of dollars. And it's all completely passive. Now, why? Because it's specific. It solves a unique problem. And best of all, hardly anyone else is competing in that space. That's the big difference. Oversaturated niches crush beginners, but hidden niches reward the smart publishers who dig deeper. So what do hidden niches actually look like in 2026? They're not random. They follow a pattern. A hidden niche usually has three qualities. Number one, readers are searching for it. Number two, the existing books don't fully satisfy them. And number three, competition is weak, meaning low review counts or sloppy content. Take the fitness niche, for example. Completely packed, right? But if you zoom in, you find things like strength training for men over 40 with desk jobs. That's not just fitness. That's a targeted solution for a very specific group of people. Another example, finance. The broad market is hopeless, but micro investing with just $100, that's specific, approachable, and underserved. Other examples that I've seen popping up. Number one, dog training for busy parents. Because raising kids and pets together is chaos. And parents obviously need solutions. Number two, eco-friendly tiny home living. A fast-growing movement with passionate fans, but very few quality guides. And finally, number three, journaling for anxiety relief. Not just journaling in general, but positioned as a self-help tool for a specific problem. Now, see the difference? You're not just chasing what everyone else is chasing. You're finding the pockets of demand that no one is serving. By the way, if you want to go deeper than just this tutorial, I put together a full course that shows you my entire publishing system, step by step. It covers the exact prompts, formatting tricks, and marketing strategies that I use to actually sell books on Amazon. The link's in the description. Check it out if you're serious about turning this into a real result. Now back to the video. All right, so let's get practical. How do you actually find these hidden niches? Step one, Amazon search bar. Start typing a broad keyword like fitness or journaling. Watch the auto suggestions. Amazon literally shows you what real people are searching for. And often, those suggestions are more specific than broad categories. Step two, check the top 20 books in that search. Don't just look at seller's rank, look at reviews. If a book is ranking in the top 5,000 overall, but only has 30 reviews, then that could be a hidden opportunity. Readers are buying, but the competition is weak. Step three, read the reviews. Look at the 3-star and 4-star reviews specifically. Those are gold. Readers are literally telling you what they wish the book had included. And that gap, that's your book idea. Step four, validate demand. Ask yourself, is this niche growing or is it just a one-off fad? Check Google Trends, Reddit communities, and even TikTok. If people are talking about it outside of Amazon, then that is a green light. Do this consistently and you have not just one book idea, but dozens. That's how you build a catalog instead of gambling on one lucky hit. Now, here's the million-dollar question. If these niches are so good, why isn't everyone publishing in them? Well, two reasons. First, most people are lazy. They want to copy what they already see working instead of taking the time to do the extra research. If a productivity book is ranked high, they think, I'll just make another productivity book. The problem is, readers don't just want another copy. They want something different, something that speaks directly to them. Second, most people don't understand how Amazon's ecosystem actually works. Amazon does not reward the broadest book. It rewards the book that got clicked, bought, and enjoyed. That is why hidden niches thrive, because readers feel seen seen and understood, not just sold to. So here's the truth. The hidden niches are out there. They're not invisible, they're just ignored. If you're willing to dig a little deeper, if you're willing to focus on the specific and not the generic, then you can dominate markets where no one else is even playing. And remember this, you don't need a book that sells thousands every month. You need 10 books that each sell only a few hundred. That's how you build consistent royalties, and hidden niches make this possible. If you want to learn the exact system that I use for niche research, the prompts, the validation process, and the very tools that I rely on, I break it all down inside my course. The link is below. And hey, if this video helped you see the opportunity in hidden niches, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, because in the next videos, I'll keep showing you how to turn AI publishing into a real business in 2026. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.